Hi, I'm Peter, your jewelry craft assistant. Today I'll be showing you how to create simple 4-prong setting and set any round faceted stone in. I begin by alloying 14K palladium white gold, which is quite malleable, so therefore friendly to work with when setting stones. Palladium has high melting temperature, so oxygen proper torch is needed. I am rolling metal into the square wire until it's small enough to fit into the draw plate. To create the base of the setting, on top of which the stone will sit, I am bending the metal to the round shape. I am closing the gap and soldering it. With the help of collet block, I am punching the metal into the cone shape. I want its diameter to be slightly smaller than the one of the stone, to make sure it's hidden under the griddle when the stone sits on the top of it. I am marking out 4 spots where I'm going to attach wires, which will serve as the prongs. It is crucial to get the spacing between each spot right to get all of the prongs square. If one is slightly off, it's going to be easily noticeable. With the help of cone burr, I am making marked spots round, which will help the wires to sit flush against the base of the setting. I am drawing the metal through the draw plate to desired diameter. The bigger the diameter, the safer stone should be, but thicker prongs are harder to bend. The thinner they are, the better the stone looks, as less of its surface is covered, but also less strength in the setting to hold the stone. Usually 15% of stone's diameter is good compromise between strength and looks. I am cutting the wire into 4 equal sections and file each of them into slight cone shape. This will make the setting look lighter. I am soldering the wire onto the base of the setting. The bottom of the wires are bent to meet together in the center and then soldered onto the shank. With the ball burr, I am phasing out the base of the setting to lower the stone as much as possible. I am pre-polishing the base of the setting underneath where the stone is going to sit. Also all the other places which are going to be hard to reach once the stone is in. I am pre-cutting prongs with a haired burr slightly smaller than the stone's diameter. I am cutting the prongs to desired depth with a small hard burr. You usually want to avoid cutting in deeper than 30% of prong's diameter. The remaining tool marks are removed and setting is polished once again. Then I am proceeding to setting the stone. I am carefully bending each prong over the stone, checking the positioning of the stone and adjusting it with prong that sits exactly opposite to the one I previously bent. I am cutting just a little bit into the prong to make it bend easier and create bigger surface to touch the stone. Once the prongs are bent over the stone, I cut them to desired height, which is roughly same level as the stone's table. With a hammer I am pushing the metal against the stone to make the prongs sit flush, not leaving any space for threads or other stuff that might get pulled under the prong. With the file I am shaping each prong into claw shape. I am removing the tool marks with sandpaper. It's not safe to do this with stones other than the diamonds. The ring gets final polish and cleaning in ultrasonic cleaner. That is how you set a stone. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and in case of any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment sections. Bye.